Alright, YouTube, good afternoon, Sunday afternoon here, me and Daisy, and we got some news today, actually. So, day 27, market is closed, crypto's down. Keto, drank a little bit of devil's juice today, but stayed to keto, besides the devil's juice. Daisy didn't even go for a walk today. It was, we got up and started doing chores here. You can see, I'll show you some pictures here. We got into the garage here, and it's important to clean out the garage. I don't have a doubt in my mind whether the house is going to sell or not. I have my own philosophy behind it, but I do believe it's going to sell. So just every weekend we get a chance, we get to we work on it. I had to run over to Jeff's. We have a folded metal project. It's actually pretty cool. It's kind of a little top secret thing. Not a lot of money to be made at it, but it's kind of cool anyway. So I had to run over there. We had to look at some details, and then I got called into work. So tomorrow morning, Monday morning, I start work 8 o'clock in the morning. So I kind of like it because it's a week off, week on, week off, week on, week off, week on. And I'm a salary employee, so if I work 2 days, 3 days, or it's possible we could work all 7 days. You just never know until you get until it gets going. So we'll see. So the big news is I just told you guys I was going to share, and the big thing is I didn't even know. I had no idea. I was thinking if I would have had to take a guess, I would say somewhere around $7,500. And that is, what do I have in crypto? Well, now I want to start out by saying I started in crypto in July 14th of last year, and I started out with $1,000 deposit, and I bought Litecoin, and it was probably around real close to $100 a share, about $99 a share. And I bought all, basically 7 shares of Litecoin for $1,000. So anyway, that's where it all started. Now you guys know Litecoin's been down to $25. So, but what I did do is my total investment, that's what I'm going to share with you right now, is $10,400. And I just broke it down to, it's like a little bit more than that, but a couple dollars. And then my actual value today is $10,300. Now you're saying, woo, you've lost $100. The problem is, though, for me, it's a long-term investment, so I haven't lost anything because I haven't sold anything. I just keep adding to them and keep buying them. And that's my plan. And because I believe, I know where the blockchain technology is going to go, and I just know. I get it. I understand it. So anyway, yeah, I think 100 times, I think even 1,000 times that's realistic. So that $10,300 is 5 years from now is, if I had to take just a really good educated guess, I would say it's well over $100,000. And I'll keep putting money into the cryptos as the years goes. Now that doesn't mean I haven't been putting in the stock market. I put twice as much in the stock market, so I probably put over $20,000 in the stock market in that same amount of time. And am I down? Hell yeah. Right now I'm down $30,000 in the stock market. But that'll come back too. And there's a few stocks that I'm invested in right now, and I'm just going to keep buying and keep buying and keep buying. I'm not worried about what the price is. I'm just going to keep on buying them. And then in the end here, we'll see what happens. I mean, I believe, I know what's going to happen, but we'll see. Anyway, a little deep today on the financial stuff, but I think it's fair. I mean, because, I can go back and look at this video, 27 days in without a job. And when I say that, without a job, I do have a sporadic job now, and it could be like this. It could run like this for years. It could be on and on, off employment now for the next, 2 to 3 years. It could go down like that because I'm in a very, very hard struck industry. So anyway, Paul Bates, Daisy, we love you guys. Peace out. Be careful out there. Practice your social distancing. And one thing before I end this video, real quick, I didn't buy all that crypto in one night, in one day, in one purchase. It was $100 here, $20 here, $50 here, $100 here, $200 here, $500 here. All it took was a little bit here and there, and next thing you know, it's $10,000. So anybody can do it. You just gotta want to do it. Anyway, Paul Bates, Daisy, we love you guys. Peace out. Trying to save some money for the future. Anyway, love you guys. Bye.